What's up, y'all? I'm about to take you on a night shift, roadside assistance, Washington, D.C. I'm sick as a dog, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm getting over the flu right now, but, you know, I still gotta work, man. Still gotta work. Right now, we just touched down on the northeast side. We're about to go, I ain't say downtown, but a little midtown to go help somebody jumpstart their vehicle. The city is really nice. Nighttime, the city's really, really nice. I love the city. I don't know what other city might be better than Washington, D.C., baby. But we gonna go ahead. Besides these drivers, bro, the drivers is crazy. The drivers drive like they don't know what the fuck they doing. Excuse my language. I shouldn't be cussing for real. But yeah, so this is an insurance one. So it really is not paying much. It's about $30 for this jump start. It ain't far from where I live at. I live just right outside DC. Live maybe like 8 minutes outside DC. So I'm not driving far to get to this person. And $30 is better than zero. I stayed home for the last day or so, 2 days maybe, because I've been sick. So I ain't really make no money. I did step out earlier on a personal call. Made about $80 for a fuel refill. Basically bringing somebody gas because they ain't have gas in their truck. That took me out Trinidad. That's another little section in DC. The one beautiful thing about this is that you get to see so many different areas of the city, or even outside the city. I don't really work outside the city too much, but within the city, a little bit outside of it is what I do. But you get to see so many different places. I mean, the worst and the best. But it becomes almost like second nature. Like it don't really matter to you. Like because it's almost like, cause you know, you just working. Like, you know what I mean? You feel like one of them guys, like one of the mailman or something. Like, you know how the mailman be everywhere. The mailman don't give a fuck where you at, cause he's working. He just, you know, he just blends into a part of the ecosystem, the environment. That's how I be feeling. But yeah, y'all, I wish I could flip the camera over so y'all could see. Can I? I don't think I can. I'm probably gonna cut in just the driving scene real quick. I'm gonna flip the camera over and let y'all see what the city looking like. It's beautiful. Alright, boom, there we go. I had to stop the video to cut into the scene of where I'm driving at. Alright, so right now, we uptown right now. We're about to cross Georgia Avenue, the infamous Georgia Avenue. We're close to Howard University. Alright. Right by Howard University. If I make this left over here and go down maybe 2 blocks, that would be Howard University. We're about to make that left on Sherman Avenue. This is all uptown. This is a one-way street right here. We're gonna go ahead and give somebody a jump start. I'm gonna let y'all see how that works. Like I said, this is an insurance one, so it's not like I'm making a whole bunch of money on this one. It's not. It ain't all that. Okay, man, we just gonna go ahead and run this light a little bit. I know it's on camera, but hey, man, say, man. And it sucks because, look, you run a light just to be stopped by another light. This shit is crazy. This is crazy. But, yeah. My ads is done running. My ads stopped running on the weekend at 7 o'clock. It's almost 8 now, so I don't have no personal ads running. So the only other ways I'm going to get a roadside call is either through insurance, or if somebody organically comes across my Google page when they Google for roadside service and sees my phone number and calls me. So outside of those 2 things, it is pretty much a wrap for the night. I didn't really get to work much today because, again, I'm getting over a flu. Basically kind of dragging myself out to work. I am masked up and stuff, so I don't spread nothing around. But I did feel like, man, I'm starting to feel a little better the more I'm getting up off the bed and I'm going outside, moving around. It's been helping me feel better. So, you know, that's where things have been. But I haven't worked much. I've only done this is my second call today. The first call was that gas call, and this is a $30 jump start. So I made a little over $100 today. Those two calls, or these two calls. And right now we're like 4 minutes from the location. I can show y'all. This is my other phone. So that's where we headed, 4 minutes away. So we're not that far. DC so small, y'all. You can get from one end to the other in like 20 minutes. You know, especially if there's no traffic. Traffic is vicious though. Traffic is really vicious out here. Okay, so we're supposed to be making this left. I don't know into what. We're gonna call this person. Let them know that we're arriving.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing? This is Roadside Assistance. Just want to let you know I'm pulling up right now. I'm about 1 minute away.
I don't know why they didn't cancel it. I had already returned the vehicle to its home.
Oh,
they
okay.
were able to troubleshoot it from there, and it was because I was in my company garage and I didn't have any Wi-Fi or something.
Oh, okay. I got you.
Yeah.
I got you. All right, that's all good. I'll go ahead and
Thank
just cancel.
you.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
No problem. Have a good day.
Have a good night. Bye.
Thank you.
All right, so as y'all can see, that was canceled. So we still get paid the full amount, which is cool. So it's like, I'm not gonna say I'm getting paid for nothing, but you know, you're getting paid to drive. So we're gonna take this drive and get paid for it. Appreciate y'all, man. I'll see y'all in the next video.